Hello friends, so in this video we will write a program to reverse a string. For that we will get the input from the user and we will just reverse that string. Okay, so I already created a directory called reverse string which is currently empty, and we will create our C file and start including our standard IO, and we will declare our main function. So we will get a character from the user. For that we need a character, and we will declare an array of string with 100 length, and we will prompt a user that enter a string. And this time we will not use the scanf function. There are two reasons for that. One is the first one is like the scanf only read a single word. Let's say if I type the hello and space and add the space and after that world like that, then using the scanf it will only read this first word and store it to the string character. Okay, and because if you add any space, new line, tabs, anything after a word, then the scanf stops reading that a stream of characters or stream of that input which user will going to type. And for that and the second issue is due to the buffer overflow. The scanf I pass the string length of the 100. If the string length the user type the line which will be more than 100 characters, then we will get the buffer overflow, which is the common error in C. So to handle these both of these situations here, we will have the fgets function, which is in the strio.h header file. And for that we need to pass the three params. First one is the string, and the second one is the size of that string, and we will the third one is the what's the third option? Third one is the I think that's the mode or a method which we going to use. For that we will, in this case we will use the standard input. Okay, and now with this we can check what's the, yes, I can show you the string. Okay, string, and we will use this. Okay, and we will just pass the string. Okay, we will check this, print this string, and for that we will run our code, compile it, and I will type hello world, and this will just bring the string is hello world. Okay, now we need some kind of a function here. For that we will, okay, so one more issue for the fgets. When you the fgets will read the input from the user, it add the new line at the end of the string, and we need to remove that, because for the reverse case we don't need this a new line at the end of the string. We need to add some kind of a null pointer at the end of the string, so it means our program will know that the sentence is the string is at the end, and this is the end of the string with this null pointer. So for that we need to add this, we need some kind of the, we need index of the last the new line. For that we will use the str, there is a function called str and and this needs the string, and what's we need to find. Okay, so this is strcspn. This is called the string computer span. Okay, So this function does, this function take the string from the user, and it will we will pass the string, and with this string, this function and the what we need to find the index of, and the second param will be that. Okay, so we need to pass the backslash n, so we need to find the index of the this new line, and we will str will replace with this that index. Basically this string computer span returns the index of that index position. So we will replace this index position with a null terminator. Now we need some kind of function here to replace our string, and we have to pass the string as a pointer to that function, and this function will be void, and this is reverse string. Okay, so for that we need str character array, and we will define the void reverse string, and we need to pass the string here. So first thing, we need the length of this string. So what's the length of this string? We need it because also we need to prompt the user of the reverse string, that because we have updated this string. So for that we will prompt the string that reversed string. Okay, and we will just use that str. Okay, yeah, str. So this is str is passed as a pointer. So within this reverse string function, we will update that string, and so that string will gets updated. So for that, first thing we need is the length of this string. For the string length, we need to include one header file, which is string.h. So with the help of string.h, we can find the length of the string. So for that, there is a function called strlen, and we need to pass the string. Okay, and I can show you the length of the string here by doing that, and length. Okay, and we will pass the length here. Okay, we will run our code, we'll check that, and we will pass only hello with the 5 length. So length is 5, but wait a second, let me open the code. And now we need some kind of a start point. We need a starting point for the loop. For that we will use a start equal to 0, and for the end we need the length -1. Why did a -1? Because as you when I execute the program, you have seen that I have passed the 5 words, I got the 5, but the length start from the 0. So for that reason we need to -1 from that length. Okay, and the last thing we need is the character for storing the temporary character. So we will loop this program if the start is less than the end. Okay, and the first thing which we need to do that is we need to store the temporary character, and we will get that from the start. So just like if I type the hello, then h will be stored in the temporary, and we need to replace the end character with the start. So for that we will use the str end. So, and we know the index of the end, and we will replace it with the str start. Okay, and in the temp value we have the first character. So for that we need to replace the first character with the, not str, we will replace the str start with the no, we, yeah, wait a second, We have stored the temporary value first character, and we have added the first character at the end of the string. Okay, end of the string. So for the start we need to store the, think I'm we need to add the start here, and we will just replace it with the end. So it means the first character is replaced with the start, and for the end case we will just add the temp values. So let me explain this again. So for the start index, we have for the string h, let's say I have typed the hello, so h will be stored in the temporary, and last character is o, so the o will be stored in place of the first index, and the last index will be replaced with the temp values, which is h. Okay, so now all the characters will get replaced. Now what we need to do, we need to move the position to the center of the string. For that we need to update the start with the increment and end with the decrement. Okay, so this is our simple code, and we need to add a thing. Everything is done for now, and we can test this. I think we can test it now. Okay, and we will compile our code, and we will start writing hello friends, reversing in SDN EIRF. Yeah, the string is perfectly reversed now, and so this is a simple code, and I think I have explained everything for this video. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.